You are here because you're feeling overwhelmed by midlife demands. You're juggling care for others, a career, and your own changing rhythms. It can feel endless and exhausting. This meditation for caregiver exhaustion in midlife will instantly calm your mind and give you the strength to reset. You'll notice steadier breath, clearer thoughts, and a lightness returning to your body. A small shift, a quiet reset, can change your day. You deserve energy. You deserve relief. You deserve clarity. Let's begin with body scan and breathing prep. Close your eyes if that's comfortable. Sit tall but relaxed. Inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Hold for a moment. Exhale to the count of 6. Let the exhale be longer. This 4-6 rhythm starts the nervous system shift toward calm. Scan your body from the crown of your head down to your toes. Notice any tension and soften it with your next exhale. Inhale calm, exhale release. Forehead and eyes soften. Let the forehead smooth, the brows ease apart. Soften the eyes, rest them in their sockets. If thoughts rise, acknowledge them and return to the breath. Inhale calm, exhale drift away. Jaw unclenches. Let the teeth part slightly. Feel the tongue rest comfortably. If you feel tightness, soften on the exhale. Inhale ease, exhale release. Neck and shoulders loosen. Let the shoulders drop away from the ears. Imagine setting down a heavy backpack of tasks. Breathe here and let go with the exhale. Arms and hands soften. Notice warmth or tingling as you release grip. Inhale strength. Exhale surrender. Chest and back rise with each inhale, fall with each exhale. Welcome the safety signals from your nervous system. You are choosing rest. You are choosing repair. Mid-back, abdomen soften. Soften the belly. If you're juggling plans in your mind, picture placing them on a shelf for now. We will revisit them later. Pelvis, hips, legs loosen. Heaviness grows, like roots anchoring into the earth. Feet rest heavy on the floor. Your whole body begins to settle. Breathing reminder. A box breath cadence can help here. Inhale to 4, hold to 4, exhale to 4, hold to 4. Synchronize with your breath, letting the vagus nerve guide you into rest and digest. Now we'll move into a topic-specific practice you can return to when stress spikes. Today, we'll focus on restoration through a calm body, calm mind approach. Imagine your stress as a gentle fog hovering above your skin. It's there, yet you are larger than it. You are the calm center beneath. As you inhale, invite a brighter light into the chest. As you exhale, the fog thins and dissolves. See it drift away, becoming thinner, lighter, almost gone. Turn your attention to breath once more. Inhale through the nose, filling the lungs and expanding the rib cage. Feel the lower lungs where the vagus nerve blends with the diaphragm. Exhale softly, letting tension melt from the shoulders, neck, and jaw. This is parasympathetic activation. Rest, digest, repair. Now bring in self-compassion. Repeat these affirmations softly 3 times with natural pauses. I am doing enough, exactly as I am. I deserve rest and renewal, just as I give to others. My nervous system is safe in this moment. These are not just words, they're signals to your brain that you are worthy of care. Self-compassion lowers cortisol, reduces amygdala reactivity, and supports healthy brain growth toward resilience. You're shaping your brain for calmer days. Cortisol visualization. Picture cortisol as tiny droplets in your bloodstream. With each breath, a warm sun dissolves them, turning droplets to vapor that rises and fades. The brain registers safety. The brain can relearn responses to stress. Neuroplastic rewiring is happening now. Inhale calm. Exhale, stress dissolves. Heart-centered relief. Place a hand over your heart. Feel its rhythm. If you notice tightness, slow the inhale to 4 and lengthen the exhale to 6. Imagine a soft candle flame at the center of your chest. The flame steadies your heart rate, guiding you into calmer rhythm. Your breath and heart harmonize, supported by the vagus nerve. A gentle, sturdy loop of calm unfolds. Sensory immersion for grounding. Hear distant birds, a breeze through leaves, a quiet stream nearby. Imagine you're in a small garden, scent of pine and rain-kissed earth in the air. Feel the cool air on your skin, the weight of your body, the texture of fabric in your hands. Each breath anchors you in the present, strengthening attention and emotion regulation. You're training your brain to stay with the moment rather than spiral with what-ifs. Anchor for daily use.
Create a simple doorway in your awareness, a doorway in the chest, a private room inside you. With every inhale, step into that room. With every exhale, close the door and leave the day's noise outside. This is your personal reset. You can return here anytime to rebalance and reinforce safety. Sleep-friendly note. If sleep is upcoming, weave in a brief wind-down routine. Dim lights, cool room, quiet, and a light body scan like this. Keep screens off before bed. Predictable routines support melatonin and reduce awakenings. For now, breathe, soften, and begin the transition to rest. Deepening and peak release. We're moving toward a deeper state. With each breath, you descend through levels of calm. Inhale and count to 8 in your mind as you drift down. Exhale fully, releasing. You're going deeper with every cycle. As you descend, thoughts become distant ripples on a tranquil lake. You're not chasing them, you're observing. If a thought appears, acknowledge briefly and return to the breath. This practice strengthens parasympathetic activation and gradually reduces amygdala firing over time. You're building resilience with each exhale. Anchor, refresh. Revisit your daily cue, breath, heart, or inner doorway. Use this anchor for 60 seconds whenever you need a reset. Observe how your body shifts from tension toward calm. This is neuroplastic repetition, teaching your brain to respond with steadiness. Gentle closing phase. Bring warmth to the chest, feeling self-compassion radiate outward. Breathe in that warmth, exhale, and let it expand.
If you've been thinking of others, extend this light gently toward them so you can care for yourself and still care for others. Repeat softly 3 times. I am worthy of care. I am capable. I deserve rest. Return to the breath, body, and anchor. Inhale calm, exhale release. Inhale strength, exhale ease. One final cycle of calm and release. You're ready to carry this calm into your day, your conversations, and your responsibilities. You're building resilience that respects your needs and the needs of your loved ones. Gentle wake-up and close. We'll rise gently, bringing awareness back to your surroundings. I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, surface a little more, keeping the calm you've cultivated. 1. Notice the room around you. 2. Feel the surface beneath you and the air on your skin. 3. Move your fingers and toes, stretch if you'd like. 4. Take a full, refreshing breath in. 5. Open your eyes softly, returning fully present and rested. Keep this calm tool close to you. A simple anchor can reset your day in moments. Remember, one session can reduce amygdala activity and support lasting resilience. You've given yourself a powerful gift today. Thank you for listening to our meditation for caregiver exhaustion today. You've given yourself a meaningful gift, a moment of pause that recalibrates your nervous system, strengthens your capacity to respond rather than react, and supports healthier cortisol patterns. If you found calm here, you can return to it anytime using your anchor and the grounding cues you practiced. Subscribe for weekly midlife mind resets. Like if you feel calmer. Share with someone who might need a gentle, science-based breathing and visualization practice. Remember, one session can soften the amygdala response, promote parasympathetic balance, and support neuroplastic rewiring for better stress management. You've taken a powerful step today. Carry this calm into your care, your work, and your home. You've earned it.